Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Giovanna in Guilty Gear Xrd REV. Giovanna is a fast, aggressive rushdown character who thrives on getting close to her opponents and staying there. Her primary goal is to overwhelm the opponent with a relentless offense, using her quick attacks and strong pressure tools. We'll cover her core game plan, essential special moves, and some basic combos to get you started on your path to victory. Giovanna's special moves are crucial for her aggressive playstyle. Travau, performed with quarter circle forward and slash, is a fantastic tool for approaching and extending pressure. Sol Nascent, a dragon punch input with slash, offers invincibility on startup, making it a strong defensive option. Ventania, quarter circle back and slash, is a quick overhead, while Sepultura, quarter circle forward and kick, is a low slide that helps with combo extensions and mix-ups. Giovanna's game plan revolves around relentless pressure. Start with quick normal attacks like standing slash or crouching punch to get in. Mix up your offense with high attacks like standing heavy slash and low attacks such as crouching kick to keep your opponent guessing. Her fast dash is excellent for closing gaps and continuing your assault. Remember to use frame traps, like crouching punch into standing heavy slash, to catch opponents trying to escape. Let's look at a simple combo to get you started. Try crouching punch into Travau. After Travau, you can often dash forward to continue your pressure. Roman cancel is a powerful tool for extending combos or making certain attacks safer on block. Practice your Sol Nascent input to ensure you can reliably use this invincible reversal when you need to escape pressure. With these fundamentals, you'll be well on your way to mastering Giovanna.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.